Well, good morning. Today is day after July 4th. Big July 4th last night, a lot of fireworks. July 5th today, so this is now day 2 after my stem cell injections. I got 2, one in my lower back, right around the L5 region of the spine, and also one in my left hip. And those were received by Dr. Ambrosic of the Southern Stem Cell Institute right here in Atlanta. So if you're watching along and you somehow came across my YouTube, what I'm doing is I'm documenting, the before, excuse me, and during and after. So we're trying to really sort of map this out for people that have been dealing with difficulty, with pain. It's an absolutely fascinating field. I've been studying it for a couple of years now, and anyways, it's been amazing. So if you go back and watch some of my earlier videos, I try to make them fairly short so people can just kind of whip through them. It gives you an idea of the kind of things that I was dealing with. I know that everybody's is different, and so that's the thing, really, that I'm trying to figure out. So for me, everything started back in, 34 years ago now. Severe car accident, very horrible. I'll probably toss up some pictures of that into my YouTube so you can kind of see. But anyways, very bad situation. I broke my back, crushed my pelvis. I have severe nerve damage in one of my legs, and I think maybe the next thing, based on the early results I'm seeing right now, I'm very happy. I slept again last night. A little bit of discomfort in my upper back today, but that's my sleeping, very normal for me. In fact, to a factor of like 8 times worse probably normally. So I'm not worried about that. What I'm really paying most attention to is where the stem cells were put in my lower back, because that was the debilitating part. And again, another perfect night. I really didn't have any discomfort there at all. So that's just amazing. I'm not even 24 hours full in yet. So that's been great. Again, the hip this morning was pretty good. It has to regrow. It has to regenerate and actually grow new cells, build all the cartilage out, because it was bone on bone. So you get that bone, it's like a knife in your hip trying to walk and move, and the slightest wrong angle can be like excruciating. So that's all got to grow. So I'm not worried about that, but I also already see big improvement there. It's hard to wrap your mind around, but it's happening. It's definitely happening. So pretty cool. 6 to 9 months I'm going to be going through it. Today I have hyperbaric chamber for an hour, which is great. Basically increases your oxygen levels up to like 98%, I believe, from your regular 20% or whatever. So it's supposed to really invigorate the cells. And then I'll be also getting the PEMF, the pulse treatments as well, which I've already had on Wednesday. Anyways, keep checking in, and hopefully I'll be running around here soon. I don't know if I'll be running again because I got other issues, but I'll definitely be moving around a lot better. So pretty excited about the whole thing. I'm looking forward to actually seeing the team down there at SSCI. Super great people. If you're having any, if you got any questions about it, you can reach out to me anytime. I've done a lot of studying on this stuff. I'm no expert, but I've done a lot of studying on it. I know a lot of players in the industry. My cells actually came from Dr. Royden. He's one of the pioneers in stem cell research, and he's been doing it for years. I actually saw him originally on Joe Rogan's podcast, and that's where I really got interested. This man is amazing. He's got an institute in Panama, and my cells actually came from his lab. So really cool. Umbilical stem cells. I can never say that word properly. Anyways, so yeah, the best possible I can get. Wharton's jelly. Look it up. Wharton's jelly. Darren out. We'll check in the next couple days.